Hi folks, welcome back. So today I've got another awesome free tool for you. So if you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like and leave a comment in the box if you've got any questions about this video at the end. So this one is especially for all you email marketers out there, and this will help you greatly improve your open rates on your email, because I'm going to show you how to put a brilliant subject line into your emails so people open them up a lot more than what they probably have been doing. So the subject line, as you know, is the first line of contact, so it determines whether your email will land in the spam or in the inbox or promotion tab. So it's like the front of your store, so to speak. So we'll head over straight to it now, and I'll show you this free tool. Alrighty, so here we are at the free tool. It's h-supertools.com. I'll leave the link below this video in the description. So when you get over onto the site, you'll just come over here and click on this little email, and on the drop down you'll see the subject line tester. Now this is where you're going to input your subject line. So for this example, I found a email headline that I used and I wanted to try and improve it, so I'm just going to paste it in there. So that is an email subject line I sent out a few weeks ago, and I just press check and it says there that it's not a bad score, it's 81. So I then tried to improve that score. I'll just paste what I put in next to try and improve it from 81, and then it improved again from 87. So I was quite satisfied with that, but I just played about with the wording again a bit more to see if I could get it any higher, and here we have it. We got it up to 94 just by playing about with the wording. Okay, so I've got another example here for you folks, a little bit different one, and this was a nice short one I used a few days ago. Okay, so it's basically get in now, so I checked that and it's not a bad score again, 78. So I tried to word it again a little bit differently and just altered it a little bit, and we got it up to 85, which isn't bad at all. So we just altered it around a little bit more. And we got it up to 88, which isn't bad at all. So there you have it folks. You can mess about with it. I hope you followed along okay. Just keep messing about with those words, keep getting your scores up, and you'll find your open rates will increase significantly. Okay, so I hope that's going to help you increase your open rates with your email campaigns. If you want to listen out for any more videos that I've got coming out, please subscribe to my channel, give it a like, leave a comment in the box, and for now I'll see you all in the next video. Stay safe.